Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make triple line border to image in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make triple line border, go to a blank page. Firstly, insert a picture, select this place tool option and choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture and click open. Then place the picture. Then select this picture and select the stroke option and choose any color. Now I select this color and select the white option and increase the white. Now we can see here not available the triple line border. Now we want to add triple line border, click outside of the picture and use the manual system. Now I select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle over a image. Then resize it. Then select the stroke or white option and decrease the white. Then resize the rectangle. Then copy the rectangle and paste in font and resize it some big. Then select this multiple object, press shift on our keyboard, then click right button on our mouse and make it group. Then click outside of the picture and check this. Now we can see we add triple line border to a picture very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.